Hi, Chris here for Tech, and today I will show you how to enable or disable the game mode in Windows 10. The reason why I do so, it's because it does not work well with every game. And by that I mean you could even lose a little bit of performance. Now, without further ado, let's get started. The fastest way is with shortcut. So on your keyboard you press the Windows key and I, like so, right? Once you do so, the setting window will open and you can navigate to gaming, right? Look, it's this one here. Okay, so now I'll show you the other way if this is too complicated. So let's close that. We go now down on the left bottom corner where there is the start menu icon, which is this one here. We do a left click on there. Once we done that, then the start menu will pop up like so. Yeah. Now we hover to the setting, which is the icon here. We left click this one and the setting panel opens. Once this is open, we go to gaming, which is basically the same as before. We do a left click on there and the gaming window opens. Once it's open, here you can see that the first view that you have is called the game bar. I'm not going to discuss anything about the game bar here. I will do that maybe after. What you are interested in is how to turn it on. So you go down to game mode like so, and you can see that here it's off. So basically all you have to do is to go and switch the toggle on, and really it's that simple, guys. Alright, and if you are having problem, you know now you have the shortcut. You should train yourself to use them, and it's very simple. I'm sure you will say, but Chris, what about those? Well, for now I'm not going to speak about it. I'm just, maybe if you want to go and have a small look at the game bar, but you want to know more, leave a comment down below. Alright, so now you can close this window and you are done with game mode on or off. I am assuming that you are familiar with the shortcut, so we launch gaming and you can see that you have other items, but as I say, we focus on the game bar. Basically you just have to read and use the shortcut. That's about it. You can change them if you want to on the box under the shortcut which is written. So let's exit from there, and now I will give you a little extra, which is going into setting, and this time we go into ease of access. Right, we go into mouse, right, and we change other mouse options, as you can see here. So we do a left click on here. Once this is done, the new window will appear, and we will go on the top right corner to select additional mouse options. Another left click on the link and the new pop-up window will appear. We go on the third tab, which is labeled pointer options, and we are interested in enhance the pointer precision. We need to untick this. Once we done so, we press apply. Right, the reason why we do so, it's this precision, especially when you do first-person shooter, increase the inconsistency when using the mouse, because the mouse sensitivity and speed is dynamic and is not static. So the more you move, the more it accelerates, and then this will be difficult for you to aim. So this one I advise you to disable. Note here that if you have a laptop, it's for trackpad, it's much better to have it on. So to resume, just uncheck the box. If you do a lot of first-person shooter, then you just have to click apply. Right? So now we go to the other setting that I like. Right? The hide pointer while typing. Basically it's simple when you are in Word or Excel or internet. When you type these blinking things or it's in the middle, it's very distracting for me. That's why I leave this one. The other one is a display point trail. I find it distracting, so this one for me, that's why it's disabled. But feel free to do whatever you like. The next one, automatically move the pointer to the default button in a dialog box. I used to like it, but maybe one day I will put it back, but for now, no. It doesn't help to me, not really. Okay? The one that I like the most will be this one. Okay? It's show location of the pointer when I press the control key. So basically, I show you what this one does. Okay? It's when you press the control key, maybe the left one or the right one, if you are on the desktop, that's it. Alright, or if you have a full keyboard on your laptop. Okay, so when you press the control key, I show you now what it does, and you will see that the circle basically from big to small. Let me go into the corner, make this bigger, and you will see that like so. You see I cannot see the pointer, but when I press control, look what's happened. There, you see? It helps. Anyway, that's it for today, and as you can see in the right corner down below, it's time for me to wrap it up. So thank you for watching, being patient. I hope you like it. If you do not like it, let me know why, and do your YouTube things. Thanks guys, and have a nice week ahead. Bye now.